Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to do the painting of a square like with the poster colors. If you have not seen how to draw the square, cylinder, triangle and the combination of it, then please go check it out. All the links will be given in the description box. So let's talk about the painting. Today I'm going to show you the light, the darkness and where the shadow is falling with the poster color. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching. If you have still not subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe, like my videos and share it.